Russell Westbrook is alive and well after Zaza fell on his knees in the last game, and he almost had a triple-double tonight. He missed the triple-double because he didn't score enough points. He only had 8 points, 12 rebounds, 11 assists as Aaron Gordon throws down the lob in transition. And this is the difference between the Thunder this year and last year. What a save by Steven Adams, but he saves it to the Magic, so that's bad. Another lob for Aaron Gordon. Last year, if Russell Westbrook stepped out on the court and only scored 8 points, the Thunder would get blown out. They would get destroyed. But tonight, the Thunder are in the game, even though Westbrook gets rejected there. We're going the other way. The Magic are playing hard tonight. Look at that. He just bullied that man. Oh my goodness. Grant went flying out of bounds. He got bullied. Inside to the big fella. The Magic are getting easy baskets in the paint. Thunder need to start locking up. We're still in the second quarter. Check out that lob. Backdoor right on the money, and then Westbrook gets the rebound. He was looking for somebody to pass it to and said, let me just take the mid-range. That's why he's only got 8 points. He's passing too much. He's thinking about passing too much. Actually, it's because he only shot 3 of 12 from the field. Ferguson getting loose. You can't let that man jump. Felton gonna knock down a 3 in the corner. Felton again. What a bounce pass inside. Grant with a vicious slam. The Thunder, their bench came to play tonight. Westbrook only has 8 points. It doesn't matter. They got a double-digit lead as he knocks down the mid-range. 1 minute to play. Westbrook gonna get into the lane, kick it out to Paul George for the dagger. Paul George had 26 points and the Thunder win. I was so close to catching that kick. I'm ready. Do that again. Throw a kick. There it is. Throw the kick. I take you right down. I got it. I got to get into the rhythm. That has to be in my mind. I've got to know as soon as they throw that kick, we got to take it to the ground and end them. This is going to be fast. This could be a fast finish. I could do it right here. It hasn't even been a minute.